Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just gonna be a simple how to do simple styles on how to work these bangs, because I've had to learn. By the way, I love my bangs. Like, I've been loving it ever since I cut them. I don't regret it. I just think it's a cute statement piece when you're on the go. Although they do get in the way a lot just because I decided to have it long, but that's just your preference on whatever. But anyways, this video is about how to style them up, so I'm going to show you guys that. So the first thing that I like to do is straighten them, and I like to straighten them at the lowest heat because I really don't want to burn my hair. But when I do straighten them, I don't go straight down. I kind of curve it inwards so that they have that shape once you pass it through with the straightener. My little hairs here. So because my hair is so thin, that's why I like to have the straightener at a low heat, because my hair doesn't stand so much. Now, anyways, I like having that like little shape rather than like straight down, because if I have it straight down, it literally covers my whole face. I'm gonna trim them. Long. They're getting long. But anyways, we're gonna work with them, and let's get right to it. So the first one, obviously simple, bangs out, hair out. Especially if you have like those beachy waves and that big voluminous hair, then it just goes with it. Like, sorry, I'm using the viewfinder, so I'm trying to like make sure that I'm not looking like La Llorona over here. Okay, so yeah, first one, just simple, like hair out, big poofy hair, your bangs straightened. That's the first one that I like to do, simple. Now, the other one that I like to do is, so the second one is, this is probably my go-to because I'm a buns girl. Like, I love to wear my hair up all the time, especially with this heat that I cannot stand. Oh shit, my AC's on. I just realized you guys probably didn't hear the first part of my video because I was blasting my AC. Oops, I'm sorry. But, like I was saying, this heat is horrible. But this is what I like to do. I feeling them Selena vibes over here with, this is what I like. It's because it's such a statement piece. You got your messy bun and you got your bangs, and here we go. So this next one is the mini bun at the top, which I think looks cute and fun. You got your bangs out. You can move it to the side, leave it to the front. So now for this one, instead of the one, we have the two mini space buns at the top. Don't even mind how messy they are. Literally just did them quickly so I can show you guys. But I also think this one's cute. This one's fun. Again, you can play around with your bangs. Mine are long, so they're a little bit harder to maintain. But I like them long. I'm gonna have to trim them a little bit. So this is probably like one of my favorite ones for like date night, or if you're going out at night. to a party or dinner. I think this one looks super elegant, and the bangs definitely add a pop to your face, so I really love it. So I put all my hair to one side, and then you just have the little bit of strands of bangs on the opposite side, so it just like adds that statement feel, especially when your hair is like wavy, beachy, and voluminous. It just makes it look really nice. I really like this one too. And then this one's the simple half up ponytail. And with this one, I like to leave a bit of strands of hair on the side. I don't know, just personal preference, I guess, but I like having like the full bangs out and the little strands. You know what I mean. But if you don't want to, obviously personal preference, like if I put it behind my ear, then I only have my bangs out. Put it to the side, you can leave them in front. Obviously don't be blind. So, but yeah, I like it with the strands of hair. Finally, the last one I like to do is the one with the headband. Like if you really just want to add something really quick to the face, but you know, you want to hide that third day of no wash hair, this is the perfect thing. I love headbands. I'm really trying to I'm getting into them a lot lately, but this is like the perfect accessory to just put on. Leave your bangs out, and you don't necessarily just need to have your hair out. You could put it to the side, do a side ponytail, still having the bangs as your statement piece, do a side braid, do 2 braids, you know. I'm not doing them all now, but because I suck at braids, but those are like my ideas. And I think even a ponytail would look cute. Like if you do a high ponytail and you leave the bangs out, such a cute summer look for the beach as well. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope it gave you some new ideas. That's just kind of what I've been learning on the way now that I have bangs, but I'm gonna see if I can probably do an updated video once I start learning some new ones. So just get creative, and I'll see you for the next video.